We're going to the bumhole. So Christmas bike ride, bedhead, look at that, it's taming. Yeah, Christmas bike ride, we're doing Ladybower, hang on, no we're not, we're doing Deep Car, because it's all gone titties up. So who have we got coming today? We've got Woodcock, surprised, no he's not, he bailed last minute, pretty standard, probably, you know, decided he'd hurt his back, but I imagine that's his back started hurting as soon as Tanzin said he couldn't ride. So he's bailed. Tim, he's coming. No, he's not. He's got his car stuck on his street because, like the rest of the world, just think, like, fuck it, let everybody else grit and ice, you know, de-ice the street. So he's stuck because couldn't be asked to think about this last night and get the grit bin out, which, from what I can remember, is at the end of his street. So he's stuck. A lot of bullshit. Nidge has gone help him, Super Nidge, so fair play. So yeah, it takes two people to move a car for road with a little bit of frost on it, you know, or just one person with a bit of salt. Who else were meant to be coming? Taylor was meant to be coming, but he couldn't get a chain, you know, because chains are hard to find, you know, especially in every single bike shop in the world, you know, even Alfred's. But yeah, Taylor couldn't get a chain. Taylor couldn't get a chain off the 3 people who offered to give him a chain as well. Sweetin did his usual, said he's coming, then just radio silence, ignores all messages, and then last minute says he's not coming, didn't think to tell anybody, changed his mind until literally the day before. Danny's, I'm off to meet Danny in Deep Car. He wants to go to Deep Car, obviously to get a bum raping or something. Yeah. We normally have about 10 people doing sort of Christmas ride, but over the years it's like anything. People get fat, lazy, can't be arsed, so we've just got 2 people. Right, bit chatter. Right, catching Deep Car for the, I don't know, I reckon it's pretty early in the morning and people don't like getting up early in Deep Car. They've probably been out quite late last night robbing and breaking into shit. So I reckon if we get there for about 10, we might be expecting his first raping or mugging around about 11, 12, probably when they have the first pint, and then think, right, it's time to go earn some money and nick something. So yeah, we better get a couple hours in before we get raped or mugged or all, you know, both of them. But yeah, let's go for a raping in Deep Car. Laters. Even though I know I shouldn't pull my front brake, I pulled my front brake and both wheels are sliding. But if that's the dog's bollocks, you must be on the gooch. Wild man pissing in the woods. Oreo bike. E-bike. Is it because it's smooth and flowy, but now it's all ice, it's just like face planter type shit?
Yeah. Well, we'll see what. It's tight that. Somebody's run down.
Don't mean the medics at the bottom without dying.
I am going to go slow because I really don't know what ice situation is like.
Slip and slide. Whoa.
Bit slippy that bit.
Just a little bit. That little bugger got me. Always a good start.
over that edge.
Steepy. Yeah, there's some good shit here. Doing it? We couldn't just jump it.
No.
What,
Well,
land on that rock and then jump over that
Well, I
one?
don't know, it does fucking jump off it.
That's the gooch, because that's just before the bollocks, isn't it? You're in the gooch. The one over there is the bum hole. You're on the gooch, then the bollocks, then the shaft, and then the bell ends at the end.
Yeah? You happy with it?
Not really, but you.
A lot of people walk away.
Go on.